Hi, it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious apple cider sangria that you're going to want to make for all of your fall parties. Let's go ahead and get started. This apple cider sangria has a lot of fruit in it, so we're going to start with a fresh pear. I like to cut right through the middle of the pear. You're going to hit the core of the pear, but that's actually the pretty part. These are Bartlett pears, and they're just delicious and they're pretty, so I like to include these in the sangria. And you can see that in the center of the pear, it's like a star shaped and it's really pretty to put inside the pitcher. So we're gonna go ahead and add the pear to the pitcher. Okay, and we're also gonna add an apple. I like Honeycrisp apples because they're sweet. I'm just gonna cut those into slices. And we're also going to add some lemon. So just cut your lemon in half and cut it into a few wedges. Again, we're gonna add some color and a little bit of lemon flavor to the sangria. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the alcohol for the sangria. I'm gonna start with the apple whiskey. The apple whiskey is delicious. However, if you just have whiskey, you can go ahead and add regular whiskey because we're gonna be adding apple cider as well. So we're gonna use a half a cup of apple whiskey. Just pour that right over the fruit. We're going to use 1/4 cup of brandy. Okay, we're going to add 2 cups of apple cider to the apple cider sangria. Just pour that right on in. Oh my gosh, that fruit is going to start absorbing all of that delicious stuff we're putting in. Okay, we have the base of our sangria made. I'm gonna put mine in the refrigerator for about 4 hours just to get nice and cold and let that fruit soak up all of those great flavors. Okay, my apple cider sangria has been chilling for about 4 hours. It's perfect, it's nice and chilled, ready to go. So I'm gonna add the sparkling Prosecco. Woo! Okay, that's the sparkling Prosecco. We're gonna use about 1.5 cups. Just add this right to our sangria. If you don't have any Prosecco or you don't wish to buy Prosecco, you can always use sparkling apple cider. It'll just have a little bit less alcohol in the sangria, still taste delicious. Okay, so there's 1.5 cups of the Prosecco, and just stir that to combine. All of this fruit has had a chance to really soak up all of those delicious flavors. Now we are ready to serve. All right, go ahead and pour it in your glasses. And we're gonna add that fruit afterwards to make sure that everybody gets some fruit. Okay, here is my apple cider sangria. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of a garnish. We're going to put a cinnamon stick in there, and a few pomegranate seeds, and some star anise. You can find this spice in the spice aisle. It comes in a jar, just like cinnamon sticks. It's delicious, it smells like licorice, and it's going to give this some great flavor, and it looks really, really pretty. There it is, my apple cider sangria. You're gonna love this recipe for Thanksgiving and all of your fall parties. Oh, it's delicious, and I can't wait to taste that fruit that's just soaked up all of these flavors. For all the details on this recipe, visit recipegirl.com.